Stern Lectronamo. Little rebuild I've been doing for the last 2 months. I got the machine. It was in real bad shape. I think it was in somebody's barn, to tell you the truth. Mice got at it, had water damage all over the play field. So took the entire machine apart, redid the cabinet inside and out, made new stencils, sprayed through the stencils, turned out awesome. Even did the speckling. Redid everything, redid all the wiring, cleaned it all up. Cleaned up the soundboard, put new pots on it, new capacitors. It's amazing, it actually works. New MPU board, existing lamp board, existing power supply, new rectifier board, existing solenoid driver, new displays, completely repainted the playfield, stained all of the natural wood that was damaged, turned it all to a gray color. You can actually see the wood through the gray. Looks really sharp. Let's turn it on. My high score from testing everything. Put it into test mode. There we go. The lights are working there. Looks like everything is still working on the playfield. Try display test. Yeah, and let's see what the solenoid test brings us. Whoops. Caps are still loose. Yeah, got rid of the stars, put lightning bolts on those. And I also put lightning bolts on all the drop downs. Wasn't a big fan of the Stern S. It was kind of like a crazy lightning bolt, and there's no other markings on this machine of it. So it wasn't a big fan, but thought I'd put my own little twist on a few things since I've already changed the playfield around a little bit. So, almost done. Post up my first game soon, hopefully.